Another day, another story. Want to impress your friends and family with your woodworking skills? In this video, we'll show you 10 amazing woodworking projects that are sure to turn heads. Live Edge Coffee Table. A live edge coffee table is a stunning piece of furniture that showcases the natural beauty of wood. We'll show you how to create a beautiful and functional coffee table with a live edge. Wooden wall art. Wooden wall art is a unique and personalized way to decorate your home. We'll show you how to create a stunning piece of wooden wall art that will be the envy of all your friends. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are a stylish and functional addition to any room. We'll show you how to create beautiful floating shelves that will impress your guests. Wooden serving tray. A wooden serving tray is a practical and stylish addition to any home. We'll show you how to create a beautiful and functional serving tray that will impress your dinner guests. Wine rack. A wine rack is a must-have for any wine enthusiast. We'll show you how to create a beautiful and functional wine rack that will impress your friends and family. Wooden planter box. A wooden planter box is a beautiful and natural way to add some greenery to your home. We'll show you how to create a stunning wooden planter box that will be the envy of your neighbors. Wooden cutting board. A wooden cutting board is a practical and beautiful addition to any kitchen. We'll show you how to create a stunning wooden cutting board that will impress your dinner guests. Wooden cheese board. A wooden cheese board is a must-have for any wine and cheese party. We'll show you how to create a beautiful and functional wooden cheese board that will impress your guests. Wooden jewelry box. A wooden jewelry box is a personalized and meaningful gift for a loved one. We'll show you how to create a stunning wooden jewelry box that will be treasured for years to come. Wooden guitar. A wooden guitar is a challenging but rewarding woodworking project. We'll show you how to create a beautiful and functional wooden guitar that will impress any musician. With these 10 woodworking projects, you'll have plenty of opportunities to impress your friends and family with your woodworking skills. So, grab your tools and get ready to create some stunning pieces that will stand the test of time. Not only will you impress your loved ones, but you'll also have the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional with your own two hands. Happy woodworking! Thanks for watching.